Simply the best for less.
And it's going to be chilly tonight. It's already kind of chilly right now if you're not in the sun.
I know, but not that we're not blaming you though, Megan.
Oh,
Kind
that's
of.
good. That's good. I won't take the credit. Right now, I do want to show you what's going on outside. We're kind of seeing a mix of sun and clouds. Some areas see more sunshine than others. This kind of gives you a good shot of what's going on over PQ. You can see it's mainly blanketed with clouds there. And if you are going to be going out to the ball game tonight, yes, as Jason said, it is going to be quite chilly and there is a chance for showers. So make sure you bring that raincoat with you. You can see those clouds blanketing our county all the way up to our mountains. Sunny though out in the deserts. And the reason for the cooler temperatures is this storm system right here. It's kind of pulling in all this air from the Gulf of Alaska. Very cold air. Temperatures this afternoon are going to be topping off 5 to nearly 30 degrees below average. So a big drop in temperatures compared to what we saw yesterday. A lot of 70s yesterday, a lot more 50s and 60s today. Now the chance for showers, some drizzle, anything like that, it's only about a 10 to 40% chance really picking up into the overnight hours. That continues into tomorrow morning. So your Tuesday morning commute could be a wet one in the morning, then we'll be drying out into the afternoon with increasing sunshine. We're in the 60s and 50s across the county right now, 58 in La Jolla, 58 degrees also in Vista. And boy, it's breezy. Look along the coastline, about 14, 15 miles per hour. Really strong in the mountains and the deserts, especially as we head into the afternoon. In fact, a wind advisory will be in effect starting there tomorrow night. I'll have more on that in our next half hour. But the 60s don't last for long along the coast through Thursday, and then we're jumping into the mid-70s Friday into the weekend. We'll see a shallower marine layer start to build on Thursday. That means faster clearing of the clouds. Inland neighborhoods, we're staying in the 60s through Wednesday, but 80s this weekend. A lot of sunshine in the forecast as well. And the mountains will climb to the 70s by Friday, back into the 90s for the deserts then. Guys?